Has Tesla's electric dream started to short-circuit? In what can only be described as a shock to the system, Tesla Inc. recently reported alarmingly low quarterly sales figures. It's a development that has sparked a wave of concern about the company's growth prospects, the kind of concern that sends a chill down the spine of every investor. The sales expectations were missed by a mile, putting the spotlight on Tesla's demand issues and the potential future earnings. The fallout from this report was immediate and severe. Tesla's stock took a nosedive, becoming the worst performer in major indices and leaving investors to question the valuation of the company. Analysts are now raising red flags, warning of further downside risks if Tesla fails to hit the gas and restore growth quickly. Despite the recent stock price drop, Tesla's valuation remains sky-high, dwarfing even the biggest tech giants. However, the company's profitability is expected to lag until 2026. It's a long road ahead for Tesla, and the journey promises to be bumpy. Short-term rebounds in Tesla's stock may offer some comfort, but sustained recovery will demand convincing evidence of strong growth and innovation. In the midst of this turmoil, Elon Musk, ever the showman, announced the development of a robotaxi. This announcement has provided a glimmer of optimism, a ray of light at the end of the tunnel. But investors are holding their breath, waiting for concrete plans to address the core electric vehicle demand concerns. The stakes are high, and the future seems uncertain for Tesla. It's a conundrum that has everyone on edge, wondering if the electric dream is really as bright as it once seemed. The market has spoken, and it's not in Tesla's favor. In the wake of Tesla's shockingly low quarterly sales figures, the financial world has been sent into a tizzy. The unexpected downturn in performance has cast a shadow over the company's growth prospects, and the stock market has responded in kind. Tesla's stock has taken a significant hit, making it the worst performer in major indices. This decline is not just a blip on the radar, but a stark warning signal for investors who are banking on Tesla's seemingly unstoppable rise. The missed sales expectations have raised pressing questions about Tesla's demand issues and future earnings potential. With whispers of demand concerns echoing in the halls of Wall Street, the once bright future of Tesla now appears clouded with uncertainty. Analysts are cautioning investors of further downside risk if the company fails to restore growth quickly. Despite the recent stock price drop, it's important to note that Tesla remains the most expensive among big tech companies. However, the company's future profitability is expected to lag until 2026. This forecast is a sobering reminder that high valuation does not always equate to immediate profitability. The market's response to Tesla's recent performance is a clear indication of the volatile nature of the stock market. Today's darling can quickly become tomorrow's disappointment. It's a harsh reality that even giants like Tesla are not immune to. The announcement of a robotaxi by Elon Musk has provided a glimmer of optimism, but it's not enough to alleviate the prevailing concerns about Tesla's core EV demand. Investors are now keeping a keen eye on the company's next moves. Will Tesla be able to bounce back with convincing evidence of strong growth and innovation? Or will it continue its downward spiral, further eroding investor confidence? Investors are waiting, watching, and wondering what's next for Tesla. Elon Musk, the man, the myth, the maverick. How does he fit into Tesla's current predicament? For years, Musk has been the driving force behind Tesla's meteoric rise. His ingenuity and relentless pursuit of innovation have propelled the company to the forefront of the electric vehicle industry. But now, as Tesla grapples with sluggish quarterly sales and market skepticism, Musk's role and influence come under the spotlight. Musk's leadership has often been marked by audacious ambition and promises of groundbreaking technology. In the midst of Tesla's current struggles, he announced the development of a robotaxi, a move that has sparked a glimmer of optimism among investors. This venture, if successful, could revolutionize the transportation industry and reaffirm Tesla's position as a leading innovator. However, it's not enough to merely announce grand plans. Investors, having weathered the storm of Tesla's recent downturn, are now seeking concrete strategies and evidence of sustainable growth. A major issue at hand is the core demand for electric vehicles. Despite the initial hype and rapid adoption of EVs, the market's enthusiasm appears to be waning. This is reflected in Tesla's disappointing sales figures and the concerns raised about its future earnings potential. To restore investor confidence and spur a resurgence in Tesla's performance, Musk will need to address these core demand issues head-on. Some suggest that Musk's strategy might involve doubling down on Tesla's technological edge, possibly by accelerating the rollout of the robotaxi or introducing new, groundbreaking EV models. Others speculate that he might pivot towards other sectors within the green energy space. Whatever the strategy, it's clear that Musk's decisions in the coming months will have a profound impact on Tesla's future. In the face of adversity, can Musk steer the Tesla ship back on course? This is the question on everyone's mind. It's a test of Musk's leadership and his ability to navigate through stormy waters. Only time will tell if the maverick innovator can once again defy the odds and lead Tesla towards a brighter future. As Tesla stumbles, what does this mean for the future of the electric vehicle market? Navigating the landscape of the electric vehicle or EV market is no easy feat. With Tesla currently tripping over its own shoelaces, we're left wondering, how will this impact the broader EV market? Could this be a moment of opportunity for other players to step up? Tesla's current situation is a shockwave reverberating through the EV market. As the poster child for electric vehicles, Tesla's success or failure has a significant impact on the public perception of EV technology. A stumble from Tesla could potentially shake consumer confidence, slowing down the adoption rate of electric vehicles. However, this could also be viewed as a golden opportunity for other automakers. Companies such as General Motors, Ford, and Volkswagen, who have been making considerable strides in the EV space, could seize this moment to establish a stronger foothold. They could position themselves as viable alternatives to Tesla, offering consumers a choice and fostering healthy competition. The EV market is teeming with potential. As countries around the world set ambitious targets to reduce carbon emissions, the demand for electric vehicles is expected to skyrocket. However, Tesla's current predicament underscores the challenges and uncertainties that remain. The EV market is still in its infancy, and it's a long road to maturity. There are significant hurdles to overcome, from the high cost of batteries to the need for improved charging infrastructure. Innovation will be key to driving the future of the EV market. As Tesla grapples with its own issues, other automakers have the chance to step up their game. They can focus on improving battery technology, enhancing driving range, and making electric vehicles more affordable for the average consumer. While Tesla's situation is causing ripples in the market, it's important to remember that the future of the EV market is not tied to the fate of a single company. The transition to electric vehicles is a global movement, driven by the urgent need to combat climate change and reduce our dependence on fossil fuels. The road ahead for the EV market may be charged with challenges, but with adversity comes opportunity. As we navigate these bumps in the road, we may find that they pave the way for a brighter, cleaner electric future. In the world of investing, timing is everything. But is it time to pull the plug on Tesla? Tesla's recent performance has painted a complex landscape for investors and analysts alike. Some view the company's current predicament as a temporary setback, while others see it as a sign of a more profound and lasting issue. This divergence in opinion has left investors at a crossroads. On one side of the debate, we have the optimists. Despite Tesla's recent sales slump and the resulting stock price drop, these individuals believe in the company's potential for recovery. They point to Elon Musk's history of innovation and disruption and his ability to pull rabbits out of hats when least expected. These investors are placing their bets on Musk's capacity to navigate through the storm and bring Tesla back on a growth trajectory. They argue that the recent announcement of a robotaxi might be the spark that reignites Tesla's flame. On the other side, we have the skeptics. These are the voices warning of further downside risks. They argue that Tesla's valuation is still inflated even after the recent declines. The company's future profitability is expected to lag until 2026, and they believe the stock may see only short-term rebounds. They caution that a sustained recovery will require more than just a single innovative announcement. It will need convincing evidence of robust growth. Caught in this whirlwind of opinions, investors face a dilemma. Should they hold on to their Tesla shares, hoping for a turnaround, or should they cut their losses and move on? The decision is not easy. It requires weighing the potential for future growth against the risk of further declines. It involves understanding that investing in Tesla is not just about buying into a company, but buying into a vision steered by Elon Musk. The key to navigating this predicament lies in understanding your own risk tolerance and investment horizon. If you're in it for the long haul and can stomach the volatility, holding on to Tesla shares might be the right move. But if you're looking for stability and are wary of the risks, it might be time to reconsider. Investing in Tesla, a high-risk gamble or a long-term bet? The ball, dear investors, is in your court. Tesla's journey has been a roller coaster ride, but where does it go from here? In the grand scheme of things, Tesla's recent performance has sent shockwaves across the investing world. The company's surprisingly low sales figures have prompted a wave of concerns about its growth prospects and valuation. Its stock, once the titan of major indices, has seen significant declines, sparking intense discussions about the future earnings potential of this electric vehicle behemoth. The market's response to this downturn has been predictably unforgiving. The stock has been the underperformer, with analysts warning of more downside risk if Tesla fails to restore growth swiftly. The question on everyone's mind is not if, but when will Tesla bounce back? The company's future profitability is expected to lag until 2026, suggesting that the road to recovery may be a long one. Enter Elon Musk, the enigmatic figure at the helm of Tesla. His announcements and innovations have often provided a glimmer of hope in challenging times. The recent announcement of a robotaxi has sparked some optimism, but investors are still waiting for concrete plans to address the core concerns around electric vehicle demand. The Musk factor, as we've come to know it, has always been a wild card in Tesla's journey. Looking at the broader landscape, the future of the electric vehicle market remains promising. Despite the current hurdles, the shift towards sustainable transportation is inevitable. However, the key is innovation and strong growth. Two things Tesla will need to demonstrate to reclaim its position. For investors, this presents a classic dilemma. Is Tesla a falling knife to be avoided or a golden opportunity to buy the dip? The answer is not black and white. While short-term rebounds are possible, a sustained recovery will require convincing evidence of robust growth. Only time will tell if Tesla can recharge and reclaim its place at the forefront of the electric revolution.